So a quick reminder about random sampling. A lot of exam questions at GCSE level tend to be about stratified sampling, but random sampling is just as popular for real life applications. So we need to be aware of this one as well. So Max wants to take a random sample of students from his year group, so always read questions carefully to understand the context. He's taking a random sample from his year group, so same age. Explain what is meant by a random sample. Well, simply a random sample. So a random sample allows every member of the population to be given an equal chance of being chosen. In the sample. Okay, so basically what that means is a population is defined as all the members that you could ask the information of or collect the information from. So for example, if you're doing a school, then every student and every adult in the school is technically the population, and then you could take a random sample from that population. Describe a method that Max could use to take his random sample. Well, there's a statistically proper way to do it, but then there's a way that you could talk about it in the exams and still get the mark. It is only worth 1 mark in this particular example. So you could literally say, put all the names in a hat. So you could put all the names in a hat and choose one at random, put the name back, and so you could put the name back and choose another pupil until you get the sample size wanted. If a repeat name comes out, replace and pick again. So basically what we're saying there is, if you put all the names of all the people in the year group in a hat and shake it up and so forth, pick a name out, note that name down, that person's randomly been chosen. But because it's about giving people an equal chance of being chosen, you have to put the name back, shake it about again, and then choose another one, and keep doing that until you get your sample size. There are lots of other ways. On calculators, there's these nice buttons called random keys. So on this particular calculator, I can do second function random 0, and then that just gives me a random number. And if I keep pressing equals, it'll keep giving me a random number between 0 and 1. And I could have allocated every pupil in the school a unique number. Between 0 and 1, so 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, every student gets a unique number, and then I just press a random key, and this would have chosen person 834 if there was 834 people available. But if there wasn't, then you just keep going until you get the numbers you want. So there are lots of ways to do random sampling, but the hat thing will work as long as you say you put the name back and then choose another one to make sure the chances stay equal.